In this video, just we'll know about the external links. So external link is just opposite of internal links. So in internal links, what we were doing, we were interrelating the uh, the different page of the same website, right? But here in the external link, what we'll be doing, just we'll be linking the other website, the other page that goes from outside of our site. So when the people they will click on that link, they won't stay to our website, but they will be moving to another website or third party website. So in the layman terms, we can say if another website links to you, this is considered as an external link to your website. That means in other website, that website is showing a link to your site as well. So whoever the visitors of those website, definitely by clicking that link they can come to your websites. For them it becomes an external link. And similarly you can link another website uh, into your website as well. So those who will be the followers or those who will be the users of your website, definitely by clicking that link they will be moving to another site or the third party website. So again, just we'll be looking a real example on this. So again, we'll see this Wikipedia website example. So this we saw in the internal links. So for the external link, just we'll have to go down to the reference pages, right? Okay, for example, this is a link, right? So if I click on this link, so what will be happening? Just will be redirecting to the another websites. Although this link is available over here, but here we can see where we landed to this website called businessjargons.com. So right, so this is the content and we can see it over here. What are the contents over here, right? So definitely where they are showing all this link, the Wikipedia site, this is showing over here in the references source, right? Yes, and the name is business jargon. The same thing you can also do. You can also create external link to other site as well. And in the submission sites also, just you can go and you can create your website link. So somewhere it creates the quality link to your site as well, because search engine bots they keep visiting to different website, especially in higher domain and authority website. And this the if the search engine bots they are looking to your link, so that means it will be considered for the ranking factor also, right? So again, just I'll be showing you how can you create external link. So over here, this word I want to make as external link, like outbound marketing, right? The same process I will be doing. I'll be going to the backend part of the site, and here I'll be searching for that word. Yes, this is the thing. So just I'll selecting that one, and again the same process I'll be doing. Just click on that link, and suppose so I want to show this link over there. So when people click on that one, they will be able to move on this page. So simply that URL I am taking and I am pasting over here. That's the management page, right? And just I clicked on enter, and simply I'll be updating these things, right? So this again, these things it will be reflecting to the main site, the home page. So again, I came over here and just I'll be refreshing this page. So now we can see this word has become the link. When I'll click on this link, so definitely I'll be redirected to the Wikipedia site. So again, we can see we have redirected to this site. So now the people or the user, they did not remain on the same page. Somewhere by clicking that link, they have come to the this page. So that is called external link, and we can create it also like that.